In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Bernie Sanders filter on Instagram. Okay, so this is a pretty cool filter, and once you've loaded up Instagram, what you want to do is tap on the little magnifying glass icon at the bottom next to the home button. That's going to take you to the explore page, and then you want to go ahead and tap on the search bar, and then you want to search for that top account right at the top there. It says Rosanna, and it's got 3 N's and 3 A's, but I'll link that account in the description of this video, so you can just go ahead and tap on that from there. Tap on that account, and then you want to go to their filters section by tapping on the filters icon in the middle underneath the story highlights, and there you can see the filter. If you go ahead and tap on that, it's basically going to put Bernie Sanders wherever you would like it. So you can either add it to your favorites by tapping the little download button to save it to your Instagram camera, or you can go ahead and tap the try it now button. So you just need to select where you want it and then tap to place, and just like that you can have Bernie Sanders on whatever location you would like. So that's pretty cool in my opinion. So that is how you get the Bernie Sanders filter on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.